Today we're gonna do a sneeze and see how I'm sneezing. Just kidding. We're gonna open Series 2 boxes. Not boxes. Cards. Just kidding. Playmobil Series 2 figures that are girls.
Cards coming. It's a freezy pool.
It's actually the Darth Vader. It's like that.
Huh?
Is it Darth Vader?
No, freezy pool.
Darth Vader turned Freezy Poe into a car. That's all.
Darth Vader is here.
And Freezy Poe is carrying Darth Vader for no reason. Today we're gonna open more.
What's that? Series 12, right? Playmobil.
Ooh, let's open the box.
And you light it
Bag.
You light it color pink. You know that the boy series is actually in black and blue. Some of them are in black.
Some of them. Oh, is
This
maybe
is an
somebody...
Indian lady, a kind of Indian, I don't know.
What the heck doesn't go on?
Yeah, we got this one.
She got some boom, boom, boom. I think we got this one before.
Yeah, maybe. No, this is the first time you unpack a series 12.
But we got one of these in
Somewhere.
something else. Some serious. But not
Some other series. Now this is the easiest part, right? Just put the body on. Yes,
Make
that's it. Yeah.
Okay, now. Why you have 3 arms?
Oh, because some people lost their arms. Sometimes we got one extra arm.
This.
No, you plug it too tight. No, you do it like this. Or
Oh, my arms hurt.
no, you do it like
My tummy hurts because
this. It's easy.
yesterday I had to jump, so that's why when I why is it so loose?
No, you don't plug everything in. You just put it like this, and then you plug her head. Not your head, I mean her head.
Hand.
You plug her head. And you will fix her arm properly.
I can't. Just push it back out.
You have to push it until you hear the click sound, right?
Yes.
Done.
Okay. Now the arms are still proper.
Where are her hair?
Here, her hair is gorgeous.
Where's your hair? Where's your hair? Somebody helped you to do your hairdo?
But I can do it by myself, but I make it very messy. You can stack another hairdo on her.
Yeah, you can.
It
change
doesn't
the
have
other
to
part.
be tight, cause this hair is way too tight. So you take it off very hard.
And
She has
if she got free-handed, that's look terrible then.
terrible. Oh.
She hold her kind of what?
One spoon on this hand. You can
The other.
bring this. Then you hold it like this. And then we have this fork.
Yeah.
A fork, wooden fork.
There's a big fork. There's a giant fork.
Giant. But imagine using this to eat. Like when we do it from real, we eat from toys. This is gonna be. We're gonna eat like super slow. If we use this to eat, nice. Nearly, if you use this bowl, eat very fast. And you can even dump the whole bowl in your mouth.
You're full now.
Now, take out the extra hand.
Yeah. Put it in the fridge.
You gonna eat human hand meat?
No, that's disgusting
Are
though.
you gonna eat blood?
No.
Okay, bye guys. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a big thumb. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a big thumbs up. And like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. And we want 1 million subscribers, so press the subscribe button and we'll see you all next time. Goodbye.